Your rug rack will come packaged as follows. Package 1 will contain both end sections with hinges and gas struts already assembled. Package 2 will contain the 5 rails and 2 flat back plates. You will also find the pack of nuts and bolts required to complete the rug rack build. The assembly should be completed on a flat, even surface, taking care not to scratch the paint. Your rug rack should be placed out in the following manner. Both end sections placed on their flat back with the gas strut positioned on the outside. Both back plates are identical, however, the branded plate should be fitted to the top with the unbranded plate fitted to the bottom, closest to the hinge. The inside of each end section has 2 holes, top and bottom, for fixing the back plates. Place the back plate underneath the 2 holes and affix with the M6 screws provided using a 4mm Allen key. Repeat the process in the 4 corners, 8 screws in total. Next, select the one round bar which has a flat section on either end. Place this bar in the top rail position, furthest from the hinge. Place this bar into the pre-cut half moon with the flat plate seated inside the arm channel. Secure this bar by using the 13mm hex bolts threaded through the arm into the centre of the bar. Repeat this process on the other end. Next, fix each of the 4 remaining bars into the pre-cut half moon and secure each end with the 13mm hex bolt through the arm into the centre of each bar. Do not fully tighten any of these bolts at this point. Next, fit the 2 remaining black Allen key bolts through the top end of the arms into the flat plate on the 5th bar, ensuring that the bolt is placed from the top down with the nut and washer inside the arm, and tighten this bolt with a 5mm Allen key and 13mm spanner. Now go back and fully tighten the 5 bolts on each side securing the bars. These bolts should be tightened to full capacity. The final stage is to go back and tighten the 2 screws on each corner, securing the top and bottom plates.